Hi, it's Michael Newrock from Trend Profiteer. I'm just about to take a Cardano trade that's ADA USD, and we've had the first buy alert for a while. The last one didn't quite work out, and it was about the only trade that hasn't worked out recently. So I'm going to take a trade. Now, the alert's already happened. As you can see here, the gains have been huge. So we're getting in at a really, really good point. And the higher time frames are saying that it's a overall buy or long position. We've got both trend and swing on the daily up, and weekly and monthly it's 2-2. So overall 4 out of 6. Now here's what I'm going to do. I'm using the text button to go long. Now this is a way that we've programmed so we can take a manual trade and then have it automatically managed from this point. So there you go. Stop loss built in, tiny from here. As you can see, this set up buy hasn't been too powerful, but it's still a really good opportunity because it's at a great price. Now, the profit locks are already set in. I'm going to pause it now and see how we go. Back soon. Okay, so I just want to change the profit lock targets. You can do this at any time. Once the trade has been executed, you can change any of the settings. It's really comprehensive. It's amazing what you can do. It literally took us years. So it's a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio around that, but it's a little too big, and I'm a little nervous of the market right now. So I've already made those changes. Click the OK button, and there you go. We've got our profit lock target within reach, our second target there, and our third target. So it's all exactly the same, but I've just modified those targets to make sure I lock in those profits. The trend is still saying that it's up, and the price has gone in my direction pretty much immediately. So I'm going to pause now, and I'll be back. Alrighty, target one has been hit. This is the profit lock target, not my hard targets, but this is where my stops are moved. So I've got two parts of the trade in play, and they've both been adjusted as far as their stops. So profits are locked in. I'm trading one a little more closely, so if it does move against me, I'll get pretty much the maximum, and the other one a little bit more liberally. So if it just to be a little bit looser with the stop, if it does need a little bit more room to move, you never know. It could be this could be the big one. So you always want to play that whenever you can, and then whichever way it goes, you're going to benefit. But profits are locked in. I've got my targets, my new targets in play. So let's see how we go. Okay, so there's been a little bit of a price retracement. The first part of my trade has been taken out for profit, almost at the maximum. Got in at 97 cents. It was target was hit at $1.22. My first trade was locked in at around $1.12, so around what are we about 14%. That's a fantastic trade. The second part of my trade is still open. It could go. I am a little bit nervous though, so this time I'm going to take profits on the second trade and just close it down. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. Good trading, live well. I'll see you soon.